Good morning, everybody. Good morning, everybody. No need to write today, okay? No need to write today. Good morning, mute your microphone, okay? Today, I will tell one good story. This is a storytelling class. But please listen the story. Please, guardian, this class will be recorded. Please move from this room. And the children, all the children, please listen very carefully. Okay? I will tell one story. And please listen the story and you will tell to your parents this story. I want to ask that, how are you in your home? Are you okay now? Are you fine? Okay. Then do you want to, or yes, Ayushpal has written yes, Shrestha Ghosh has written yes, Devopriya Mukherjee has written the yes. Everyone wants to come to school. Because the school, we are also missing you very much. We are missing you a lot. I don't want to see you in this computer screen. I want to see you in the school. But in this situation, when you are doing the class, we are very happy. Susan, open your front camera. Today I will tell one story, nice story. The story of Robin Hood. Do you know who is Robin Hood? Robin Hood is a person who is selfless. He is living in Sherwood Forest in England. Please listen to me very carefully. Okay, so Robin Hood is a person who is living in the Sherwood Forest in England, and he is doing all the things for the poor people. At the time in London, there was a king, but he is very cruel. Okay, he is very cruel. He did not think about his subjects. Subjects means his men, those who are staying in his London, in his place. In Bengali, we are telling the proja. Okay? So, this is the story. This is the opening of the story. And at that time, this king is taking money from all the people. All the poor people also. He is not thinking about anyone of his kingdom. And he has some person like the sheriff. They are also money, and also they are not thinking about their men. So poor people, they are suffering a lot. They did not have any food to take because the king was taking everything from them. Okay, beta. So one day, what happened? That king's person, they have taken many gold coined money from that poor people or subjects. So what did Robin Hood do? Do you know? Robin Hood had taken all the money from that king's men, and he distributed all the money, gold coin, to the poor people. So first line I am telling that what type of person was Robin Hood? You can tell me, no? That Robin Hood was a selfless man, because he was thinking about the poor people, those who are not having any food, any place to stay. So that's why he has taken all these things, and also he distributed all this money, food to poor people. But everybody was telling Robin Hood a thief. One day, so king was thinking a plan to catch the Robin Hood, because Robin Hood was stealing all the money from that king. So there, and Robin Hood was very good at archery. Do you know what is archery? Archery means that bow and arrow. Okay, they can shoot with bow and arrow. So he made one competition, and in that competition Robin Hood came, and he shot four arrows to the right point, and everybody understood that was the Robin Hood. But when the king came to catch Robin Hood, one of his friend helped Robin Hood to go away from that king. And all the men, they came to see the competition. They were very happy, and they also helped Robin Hood to leave that place. And again, the Robin Hood and also his companion or friend had taken money from that king's treasury. Again, he distributed all the money to the poor. Actually, I am telling the story because this time, this COVID time, you are doing so many things in your house. Sometime you are listening story also. And this time you are doing the school class. Evening time, what are you doing? I think you will spend your time with your family, like your parents, grandparents, and you will sit together. You will tell that every day. You will tell your mother that, please mommy, I will tell one story to you. Okay? Today I am telling that story. Please tell that story to your parents. And why I am telling this story? Because this is the story of selflessness. In this time, many poor people, they are not getting food properly. And you can tell your parents that you will also help with them to get some food for them. Sometime in your locality also, you are having some dog. They are also not getting food properly. Sometimes you can also give little bit food to them. And at the same time, you will help your mother or father. Shrestha, are you listening to my story? Yes, I can hear you that you are listening to my story. And also, you will plant some, if you are having place in the garden, 1 or 2 plants, you can sow the seed. Okay? And after some time, you can also see the small plant is coming. Actually, when you are in the home, you are getting little bit bored. So if you listen the story properly, you can tell the story in English or Bengali or Hindi. Whatever you can. That time you can feel very nice. Yes, I know that. You are also thinking that I can listen the story in noon. Okay, at noon. That now you are using mobile, computer. So you can use it very nicely. Okay. Mobile phone, you can listen also animated story. That animated story also you can learn some moral. Like this Robin Hood story, I am telling you that please be selfless. Okay, not selfish. Selfless means you can help to your friend, to your parents, and as well as any poor people or any people those who need help from you, because you are very small. So your help also will be a very little, but that little help also can give anybody more thing. They will be also very happy and write to my e-portal, whatever, in Bengali, English, 1 line, 2 lines, you can write to me. Okay, Shomagni, Kirtika, Lisa, Suzanne, Shrestha, Debopriya Mukherjee, everybody I can see that. Purbayan, Ahana, Kaushik, that everybody I can see you, that Shivam, you are doing in the class very nicely. So you can do this work also. You can help your parents, you can talk with your grandparents, you can play with yourself, you can make activity. And besides that, in this situation, you can make one good poster. Okay, you can draw it. This story also you can draw it and show to me. So today, this much enough for storytelling. After that, I will take the class, but this is only storytelling class. And I think next day, English, Bengali, Shrestha, anything you can tell me, anything you can tell your parents. And today, for this storytelling class, will be finished after. I will revise your that grammar book. And now I think you have enjoyed my story, and if you are having any questions, please you can ask me.